Hi there, I'm Aviva Al. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use our new app to create your very own animation ring pattern. As you can see at the top here, there are 3 steps to creating your design. Let's jump into the first step. We currently have 3 options to begin your design. The blank canvas for creating a subject that repeats around the ring, the blank canvas for a more complex pattern which does not repeat, and the 3-frame animal templates which I will be demonstrating in this video. When you hover your mouse over the templates, they will show you a preview of how the animals will move. Simply click the one you want to use and a zip file will be downloaded to your computer. Unzip the folder and open the frames in your favorite drawing software. In this video, I used Paint.net because it is simple to use, free, and open source. Using the animal templates as a guide, you can begin to draw your frames. I recommend drawing them in a layer separate from the template. The templates were designed to assist, not inhibit creativity. If the template doesn't line up with your vision, trust your instincts. Here, I felt the legs of the rabbit in frame 3 didn't quite fit my vision. So once I got the general shape down, I removed the template and edited them according to what I thought looked right. Changing the transparency of the frames and overlaying them while you work can help maintain continuity. Some parts of your subject may require complete continuity in shape and size between frames. I recommend copying, pasting, and repositioning these parts for best results. When you're happy with your frames, save them as PNGs with a transparent background and move on to the next step. To upload your frames, click the picture icon under the blank canvas labeled Frame 1 and select your first frame. Repeat this step for the second and third frames. The 3D preview of the ring can be rotated by right-clicking and dragging. You can use the middle mouse button to zoom. The 2D preview can be started and stopped using the blue play button. Personally, I like to have it paused for the most part. The first thing I like to do is to play around with the size of the image. Below each frame are scale up and scale down buttons. To the right of those is a match scale button. Once you're happy with the size of your image, you can click the match scale button to automatically resize your other frames. You can move the image by left-clicking and dragging it. To see how your frames line up, you can use the onion skin toggle. The mirror toggle will flip your image. That can be useful for noticing little details that are off with your frame. To switch the direction of your entire pattern, you'll have to drag the images around. As you can see now, the rabbit is moving backwards. To make the image repeat and wrap around the ring, increase the number of horizontal tiles. I chose 4 for this pattern because they lined up well with the size of the rabbit. I then dragged around the images on the frames so the first frame picked up where the last frame left off. Next is the step for the finishing touches. For this step, the slice toggle is especially useful. It allows you to see exactly where your images will be obstructed by the bars. You can jump between the Tweak and Design tabs as needed. I like to start in the Design tab so I can position all the images in the sequence at once. I then switch into the Tweak tab to move the images within the sequence individually. At this point I noticed the legs in the 3rd frame were still not quite right, so I edited them in Paint.net and re-uploaded the 3rd frame. With a few finishing touches, I decided I was happy with the design, so I saved it to my computer. When you save the patterns to your computer, you will get a zip file with the original non-repeating frames, and a file with the metadata containing all of the resizing and positioning you did in the app. To view or edit your animation pattern in the future, simply open the zip file in the app, using the folder icon or the Import Your Edited Template button. We currently have the option to submit your design for review if you want us to consider it for the next animation ring. We ask that you read the terms and conditions before you submit your work, so that you fully understand what selling us your design would mean. Our goal is to foster a creative community with this opportunity, not to take anyone's art or claim it as our own. In the official DIY app, there will be an additional print tab that will walk you through the steps of printing your designs and putting them on the ring. This concludes the first tutorial of our app. Happy animating!